name's Mark Farabee. I'm from Maryland. I own a custom shop, do powder coat, wheel repairs, airbrushing, graphics, handful of things that go good with what I'm learning here. Actually, will go great with what I'm learning here. I spoke to y'all a couple, probably like 2 years ago. And at that time I was subcontracting for a company and it was kind of hard for me to get away. Then I went full time with my shop and I was like, let me call these guys back and see if I can still go out there. And the rest is history. But overall, I think it was like YouTube, internet, definitely YouTube. I was looking around and then did some researching and like said y'all #1 in a week course. But I'm definitely gonna be back as soon as I can. As soon as I can. Of course, the basics of learning to operate the light correctly, your adjusting your eye, which is a real important thing to operating the light and having the right in the correct place so you know exactly where you're looking at and what you're looking for. Worked on some highs, lows, and how to really recognize them. The best tools to go with during the, depending on what type of job, leverage points, glue pulling, the type of glues, the different tabs that should be used. Did some glue pulling. I feel like I done a lot. And it's a lot. It's a lot, but it's definitely worth it. Oh, definitely. Don't even second guess it. Like I said, I talked to, I think it was Mike probably like 2 years ago, I think it was. And I wish I had came out then and did it instead of waiting until now, because I would be a lot further ahead. I'd be trying to chase some hell and all type of stuff. If you thinking about it, don't even look no further. Just go ahead, get your flight and everything ready. Call Mike or whoever you talking to and get out here as fast as you can. Like, the more time you waste is the more time you wasting on yourself. So yeah, I do have some plans. Definitely to go back and incorporate everything that I learned within Dent Kings to my shop. And also, like, I would definitely like to do some work with them in the future if possible also. And as I said, I'm coming back out here too because I got some good information, but being around more and going through a little bit more training, definitely gonna be a lot more comfortable when you leave. It's not easy. It's not easy. You need these guys to help you to learn it correctly, unless you're gonna have a whole bunch of, as somebody said in the meeting a second ago, chicken pox all over the place. Lows, valleys, peaks, and mountains. Like, if you want it done, you want to learn how to do it right, just go ahead and come on. Absolutely not. You can't learn no PDR from YouTube. It's too much hands-on that you have to really be there to really see with your eye that YouTube ain't gonna be able to teach you to see the lows, the highs. Like, of course, if you got a huge high, you'll be able to see it, but learning how to train your eye and have somebody point it out to you with the very shallow lows and the slight highs, that's not something you're gonna be able to learn from YouTube. And then just the experience on tools, from tools to glue pulling to like marketing to everything that you're gonna need to be a good, successful PDR tech. I feel like you're gonna get here, and you more than likely not gonna get that from other places.
How do you feel here in DT?
Oh, I feel great. I wish I lived a couple streets down, like a couple people in here, one person in, so I could be here more. Like, I'm coming back. Thank you, Dent Kings, for this opportunity, and I'm gonna be back as soon as I can.